Good morning, students. Today our topic is data handling. Today we will start our new chapter, that is data handling. In this chapter we will discuss about different pictographs and we will find the answer of some given questions. Let us discuss with the help of this example. You can see in this example a picture is shown to you. Okay, in this example you can see here is a pictograph. This is a pictograph. Why? Because in this data is represented by pictures. So this is a example of pictograph. Now you have given a pictograph and you have to find the answer of given questions. Okay, so let us start. How we'll do? In this picture what you have given? You have given the number of watermelons harvested by 5 farmers. Okay, in this question you have given 5 farmers: Mahesh, Ramesh, Salim, Jacob and Manpreet. They have harvested watermelons. There are different number of watermelons harvested by these farmers and you have to find out the different answers. So let us start. How we will find the answers? You can see here a scale is given to you. Here one watermelon represent 100 watermelon. Here is a picture of watermelon and one watermelon represent how much? 100 watermelons. So let us start. Our first question is, who harvested the most watermelons? Now in this question you have to find the number of watermelons. Most watermelons means name of the farmer which harvested the most watermelons. For this, how we will find the answer? First of all, we will count the number of watermelons harvested by farmers. You can see in the picture here Mahesh harvested watermelons. How many? First of all, count the number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mahesh has harvested 7 watermelons, but it is not 7, it is 700 because one watermelon represent 100 watermelons. So number of watermelon harvested by Mahesh is 700. Now count the watermelon, number of watermelon represented by Ramesh: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 9 means Ramesh harvested 900 watermelons. Okay. Third, Salim: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7. First of all, we will count all the watermelons and write their number. Okay. Now Jacob: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count on your fingers. Okay. 5. Now number of watermelons by Manpreet: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7. First of all, we have written the number of pictures of watermelon harvested by each farmer. Now we will find the answer of the given questions. Okay. First question is, who harvested the most watermelons? Most watermelons means what we have to find? We have to find the maximum number of watermelon harvested by the farmers. Now here one number was 7 means 700. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Here number was 9. 2, 4, 6. Here number was 6 and here 5 and here 7. Now most watermelon harvested. Here number of watermelon harvested by Mahesh was 700. Here 900. Here 600. By Jacob 500 and by Manpreet 700. So who harvested most watermelons? Means maximum number of watermelons is 9. Okay. So Ramesh, answer is Ramesh. Ramesh harvested the most watermelons. Okay. Now second question. How many watermelons did Manpreet harvest? Manpreet, here number is 7. So how many watermelons did Manpreet harvest? What one watermelon represent? 100 watermelons. So 7 into 100. Okay, so our answer is 700. Clear? So number of watermelon harvested by Manpreet is 700. Okay, now third question. Who harvested 600 watermelon? Now you can see here in picture, here is the number 6. Okay, means Salim harvested 600 watermelon, because one watermelon represents 100 watermelon. So 6 into 100, 600. So Salim harvested 600 watermelon. Now fourth question. Name the farmer who harvested the same number of watermelons. Now we have to find now two farmers who harvested the same number of watermelons. You can see in the picture, here is number 7 and here is also number 7. Okay, means both Manpreet and Mahesh harvested 700 watermelons. So our answer is Mahesh and Manpreet. Okay, clear beta? Now fourth last question is, who harvested the least watermelon? Who harvested least? Least means minimum number of watermelons. Most means maximum number of watermelons and least means minimum number of watermelons. So you can see in the picture, the 5 is the minimum number. Okay, means Jacob harvested 500 watermelon. So answer is Jacob. Jacob harvested minimum number of watermelons. Okay, in this way you can see the picture and answer the given question. You have to find out the answer of the given question by a given pictograph. This is the pictograph and some question is given to you and you have to find the answer by this picture. Okay, clear beta sabko? Now we will discuss about how we can find the answer of the given question when tallies are given to us. Okay, sometimes tallies are given to us instead of pictures. So how we can find the answer of the given question? So you can see in this picture, let us discuss with this example. In this picture we have to find the frequency in tally chart and answer these questions. Okay, what is given to us in this question? We have given favorite fruits of class 5th students. Okay, in a class 5th, some students are there. Okay, and they like fruits, different fruits. So first of all we will find the number, means frequency of the students who like different fruits. Okay, how? Let us discuss with this picture. First of all, grapes. You can see, you can count these tally marks and by adding them we get the number, means frequency of students. Okay, 5 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, so grapes are liked by 14 students. Okay, you can count them, 5 plus 5 plus 4. Second, oranges, 5 plus 3, so 8. Oranges are liked by 8 students. Now third, apples. Here 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15 plus 2, 17. So answer is 17. So apples are liked by 17 students. Now peaches. Peaches is liked by only 5 students because number is only 5. Now mangoes. Mangoes are liked by 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. Okay, so mangoes are liked by 15 students. Now bananas. 5 plus 5 plus 4. How much? 14. So bananas are liked by 14 students. Okay, now we have find the frequency of students who like different fruits. Now we will find the answer of the given question one by one. How many students are there in class 5th? Means we have to find total number of students. Total number of students, we will add all these numbers and we will find the answer. Okay, so 14 plus 14 plus 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 5, 41, 41 you can write on your paper, okay, like this, and add 58, 58 plus 15, how much? 73. So our answer is 73. There are total 73 students in class 5th. We will add all these numbers. Okay. Second question. Which is the most favorite fruit in class 5th? Most favorite. Most favorite. The answer is 17. Means apple. So apple is liked by 17 students. Okay, that is the highest. Third question, how many more children like apple than oranges? Okay, oranges are liked by 8 and apples are liked by how many? 17. So how many more students like apple than orange? Means we have to subtract. So answer is 9. So here is 9. Fourth question, which two fruits are equally liked? Which two fruits? You can see here is number 14 and here is also number 14. So grapes and bananas are equally liked by students. Last question, which is the least favorite fruit? Least favorite means minimum used. Minimum number is 5. So mangoes are least favorite fruit. Okay, so this was all about data handling, how we can give answer of the given question by looking at the given picture. Okay, so this was a pictograph. In this, the fruits were given liked by different students and we have to find the answer of the given question. Okay, so this was all about data handling. Thank you.